Good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss the 8 types of graphics design. First one is the visual identity graphics design. What is that? Visual identity graphics design is exactly that, the visual element of brand item identity that act as a face of brand to communicate those intelligible quantities through image, shape, and color. As you can see in the picture that a glass is shown here, they are just visualizing their particular graphics, like showing the symbol A or like that. So visual identity design is one of the most common type of design. Visual identity graphics designer must possesses a general knowledge of all types of graphics design in order to create design elements that are suitable across all the visual media. They also need excellent communication, conceptual and creative skills, and passion for researching industries, organization, trends, and the competitors. The second one is the marketing and advertising graphics design. This kind of designing which are using for the marketing and to do the advertising for a particular company or a product. When the most people think of graphics design, they think of design created for the marketing and advertising. Companies depend on successful marketing effort to tap into their target audience decision making processes. Or the people can, as we can say that people making the decision on the basis of their marketing, advertising as or the campaign like that. Great marketing engages people based on the want, need, awareness, and satisfaction they have about a product, service, or a brand. Marketing designer work with the company owner, director, manager, or marketing professionals to create assets for marketing strategies. They might work along or as part of an in-house or creative team. Designers can specialize in a specific type of media like vehicle wraps or a magazine ads, or for example, or create a brand assorted for the collaterals for print, digital, and beyond. While traditional print centered, this type of design has grown to include more digital assets, etc. As you can see in the picture, there is an alpha services which is print advertisement is doing on a particular vehicle. So people can, for the marketing, as you can see that Ola, there is a cap on which Ola, Uber, like kind of product name or a particular service name is written over there, so that the people can recognize it and use the particular service. The another example of marketing graphics design is like postcard and flyers, magazines and newspaper ads, poster, banners, billboards, infographics, vehicle wrappers, signage and trend show displays, vehicle wrappers, email marketing templates, PowerPoint presentation, menus, social media ads, banner, graphics, banner and retargeting ads and image for the websites and blogs. The another example is user interface graphics. As you can see that the rent the best car kind of a product or an application on which this is the kind of user interface which is creating an advertisement or kind of graphics which is designed. So a user interface is how a user interact with the device or the application. UI designs is the process of designing interfaces to make them easy to use and provide a user-friendly experience. As soon as we can say that the how the easy user interface will become more easy, and this includes the particular graphics which is easy to use. A user UI includes all the things a user interact with the screen, keyboard, mouse, but in the context of graphics design. Symbols are used, pictures can be used, that all is pictorial representation. UI design focuses on users' visual experiences and the design of on-screen graphics elements like buttons, menus, micro interaction, and more. as you can see in a phone. We are using a particular application. If it is easy to use, that means we can say that the user interface is very easy to use, easy to understandable for the particular user. So example is the web page design, theme design, WordPress, Shopify, game interface, application designing. Another application is the type of graphics design is publication graphics design. That is a publication, a long form the piece that communicate with an audience through public distribution. They have traditionally been a print medium. Publication design is a classic type of design, kind think book, newspaper, magazine, catalog, etc. Graphics designers that specialize in publications work with editor and publisher to create layouts with carefully select typography, accompanying artwork with include photography, graphics, and illustrations. Publication designer may work as freelancer, as creative agencies members, or in-house as a part of publishing company. As you can see in a picture, a particular magazine which is having a particular graphics on a front can be a publication design, graphics design. This is the example of the publication graphics design are book, newspapers, newsletters, directories, annual reports, magazines, catalogs. Packaging graphics design means a product which is packed in a particular package, that all is used in graphics. The packing of a product, that packet is in a on that particular packet or a box or a bottle or a bag, there is a graphics is used, that is called packaging graphics design. Most product require some form of packaging to protect and prepare them to storage, distribution, and sale. But packaging design can also communicate directly to the customer, which makes it an extremely valuable marketing tool. As you can see, you are receiving the product which you have purchased from the Amazon or a Flipkart. The packing is good, then it will give a good representation, and a particular packaging is good, then it will shows you the demand, which makes it extremely valuable marketing tool. Like every box, bottle, bag, every can container, every container chance tell the story of a brand. Packaging or a box will tell you the quality of a product which is safe. If okay, so packaging designer create concept, develop mock-ups, and create the print-ready files for a product. This requires expert knowledge of print process and a keen understanding of industrial design and manufacturing, because the packaging design touches so that many discipline, it is not uncommon for the designer to find themselves create other assets for a product such as photography, illustration, and visual identity. Next is the motion graphics design. Simply put, the motion graphics are graphics, they are having a motion, animation, audio, typography, imaginary. Whenever you are using a particular GUI for a particular application, which may introduce an animation, which effect or which create an effect for the online users, like television and a film, online media, like that. The medium so popularity has skyrocketed in recent years as technology improved, video content become king. Motion graphics designer is somewhat new specialty for designer, formerly reserved for TV, film. Technologies advances have reduced production time and cost, making the art form more accessible and affordable. Now, motion graphics is one of the newest type of design, can be found across all digital platforms, which have has created all sort of the new area of opportunity. So example for that are animated logos, trailers, presentation, promotion videos, tutorial videos, website, apps, video games, banners. These are all about the motion graphics design. Environmental graphics design. This is another one, another type of graphics design. Environmental graphic design visually connect people to place to improve their overall kind of, which you can see that the people are using a particular graphics design in their home, in their offices, or in a particular occasion like video. You can see that a picture is here, there is a summit, they have used some graphics in the background. So this is the all about the graphics and environmental graphics design. And the right one, you can see a picture like they have using a graphics in a wall. So this all about the environmental graphics design. Another one is the art and illustration for graphics design. So what is that? In a particular pictures, you can see that there is a illusion that 3D pictures, they are in fine art, like they are just creating a 3D pictures that the something which is in real. Graphics art and illusion are often seen as being the same as graphics design. However, they are each very different. Designer create composition to communicate and solve the problems. Graphics artist and illustrator create original artwork. Their art take the number of forms from the art to decorate to storytelling illustrations. Even though graphics art and illustration are not technically type of graphic design, so much is created for commercial use within the context of graphics design that you can't talk about without the other. The examples of art and illustration for graphics design is the t-shirt design. On a t-shirt you can see that there is a particular picture or a graphics over there. Graphics patterns for textiles, motion graphics, stock images, graphics novels, video games. In that video games, you can say that there is an illusion for that for particular 3D games are there, which are creating that games which is in real. Websites, comic books, album arts, books cover, and pictures, picture books. That in the picture book you can see that only pictures are representing some illusion, or they are telling some story on that particular picture itself. Thank you.